Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready, Python 3, 8 or newer, pip, and an active virtualenv. Once done, open your project folder and verify you have the Panda bundle file or repository URL. Now run a quick checksum or inspect the archive so you know it's complete. Then create or activate the environment because installing into a clean venv prevents conflicts. Finally, prepare any credentials or API keys needed by the bundle so you won't interrupt the flow when installing. You now unpack and install the Panda bundle. First, extract the archive or clone the repo, then change into the bundle directory. Run pip install e for editable installs or pip install bundle. WHL for binary wheels, this sets dependencies. While pip runs, open the provided config files, settings, YAML or env, and populate endpoints, keys, and paths. Make sure dependency versions align. If a conflict arises, pin versions explicitly. Once installed, run the built-in setup command the bundle provides to finish configuration. You finish by validating the installation and starting services. Run the bundle's self-check or unit tests to confirm functionality. If the bundle includes a CLI, use its status command. Then launch the app or service, Python manage. PyRun, Docker Compose up, or systemtool start depending on the package. Monitor logs in real time to catch errors early. If something goes wrong, check environment variables, dependency versions, and log files first. Most issues are misconfigured paths or missing credentials, so inspect those before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.